Saltfish Mix-Up. When you finally earn your place in Granny's kitchen, you have to move careful. One wrong move and you're gone back to grating coconut. Soraya thought she was ready for the next big step, but that was before the Saltfish dilemma mashed up Sunday breakfast. It was the second Sunday of the month, and in the McLeod family, that means Ackee and Saltfish Day. Miss Eula, Soraya's granny, was cutting up Scotch bonnet and talking to the pot like it was a long-lost cousin. But tell you, Mr. Pot, today we're seasoning you like royalty. Soraya bounced into the kitchen, apron tied and spoon in hand. Granny, me ready for level up, stirring done. Give me one real task. Miss Eula raised her eyebrow. All right, Miss Ambition, go soak and flake out the saltfish. But now mix it up, you hear? The boiled one is the real one. The raw saltfish stay in the green bowl. Don't confuse them in a Soraya. Granny, me look like me go mix up the saltfish? Me never trust no one who talk confident like that in my kitchen, you know. No, if Soraya had slowed down, maybe she would notice the green bowl with the raw saltfish was hiding behind the boiled one. But she didn't. Flake, flake, flake. Granny soon proud. She happily scraped the saltfish into the ackee, mixed it in good, and walked outside to boast. Me done the saltfish. Me a real kitchen general now. Miss Eula calling back. Good, the pot ready for it now. But by the time Miss Eula tasted the mix, Miss Eula gasped. Which saltfish you use? The one in the green bowl. Lord Jesus, Soraya. The red bowl of the boiled saltfish, the green one was the raw one. The whole kitchen start like rain start fall inside. Miss Eula moved like ninja. Pot off stove, Ackee scooped out, saltfish rinsed, reboiled, seasoned from scratch before the rest of the family even washed them on. No granddaughter of mine serving raw saltfish to people, not on my veranda. Soraya sat on the back step, face long like church bench. Me mess up Granny Sunday. Now me gone back to greater coconut. But Miss Eula, seeing how distressed Soraya was, came outside with a plate in her hand. You mix it up, yes, Soraya, but you show heart. And heart can boil, but it can learn. She handed her the plate with a fresh spoon. Try this. It's perfect now, right? From that day, Miss Eula made Soraya repeat 3 things before touching any saltfish again. Green bowl for raw, red bowl for boil. Granny always know. And though Soraya had a new title, Flake Boss, she never flaked carelessly again. Because in Jamaica, food not just about taste, it's about memory, tradition, and knowing when to slow down and smell the Scotch bonnet.